Good morning guys! Today is December 28 and andito na kami sa Rinco Town. Woohoo! Shopping! Shopping! Akin na to. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bayo.
You can get me when you're drunk. Apathy is how I get through until you ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean it? Are you thinking you might run? Maybe we should sleep on it. Just wait till the morning comes. 'Cause yes, I really mean it. I'm half the man when you're not around. Baby, we can make it. Oh, to us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags.
Finally!
Dito ka ba? Tama
Oh.
ka, apple juice.
Tapang.
We can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me.
Oh my God, miss ko to. Anyway guys, update. Nasa Kurumon Market kami kanina and I wasn't able to vlog kasi super daming tao. And kaya naman hindi ako nag-vlog kasi umaga, ha? Siksikan. Kung no, ayun, hindi ko na alam. So wala akong footage for Kurumon. And late na rin kasi kami nag-start ng araw namin. So ayun. Oh, wow. But I was able to eat the king crab and parang nothing special naman on it, but good thing we tried. And sila mama nasa Starbucks ngayon and ako bumili ako ng cheese corn, so punta tayo sa kanila. Oh, aga. Sarap. Okay guys, update. Nakapila ka ngayon dito sa Pablos. And medyo mahaba yung pila. TJ, pinapunta ko na dun sa 5554 for Raybay. So, wala pa paano ka na. Hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog. Nagpunta kami dun sa vintage store. Bumili ulit si mama ng dalawang Coach na bag at saka isang helmet. So, ayun, wala akong footage nun. And then, bumili ako sa parang Watson. Pang, alam niya na, pang aging na stock. So, ayan. Pila muna tayo. Hello. Thank you. Good morning guys. Today is December 31 and last full day today. So let's explore again the Shinsaibashi. Ito ba yan? Ang hirap niyang i-bigkas pronounce. But anyway, so mag-isa lang ako today. Naghiwalay na kami ni CJ. Sila mama nasa hotel lang cause inaayos na nila yung maleta kung paano sisiksik, i-compress yung mga pinamili. Hopefully hindi kami mag-over baggage, but pumili na kami kahapon ng extra kilo just in case lang naman. So ayun, explore tayo ngayon mag-isa and i-update ko kayo sa mga gagawin ko today. So let's go.
Maybe it is, but I'll live with it. If it means I'll have your, if we could be together, I'm section. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches. They come with a thing called trust. We don't gotta roll out commitment. I want you differently. I think this is love. Yeah. I think this is love.
I think guys, ito na yon. Kasi based sa picture, ayan o. Ayan o, nagkakamot sila. Parang there's something itchy.
Yeah. You know we get together. Now we pass it up. I think I will forever. Now we find some love. Now we find some love.
Okay, I think nakita ko na yung para sa bed bugs. Ito siya. Bugs naman siguro to, no? Ayan o. And nakalagay naman, may drawing ng mattress. So, mattress. Hindi. So, hopefully tama to. Anyway, isa na lang hinahanap ko, which is yung tape. Kasi may mga tape ko. So, let's check more upstairs. Okay. I'm already done. Nakabili na ako ng tape, yung bed bugs, spray, at saka yung para sa insect bites. Now, I need to find money changer kasi wala na akong yen. Dollars na lang yung meron ko ngayon. So, let's go! Zara, oh. Hindi ko alam kung bibili ako ng jacket sa Zara din eh. May gano'n naman sa Pilipinas. Maybe pwede natin i-try yung perfume. Baka may iba silang scent dito. So, later, pag may cash na ako. Ay, kayo. Sarado. Nakakainis. Sarado. Yan. Kasi hindi mo pa trinay ng mga nakaraang araw. Sa last day pa kasi. Ayan. I hate it. So, balik na tayo sa kabila.
I'm starting to feel it. Knowing when it's strings attached, maybe we could take that back, make it what it isn't. I wanna be with you.
So, here's my food. Inaantay ko na lang yung fries and chips. Ito, in-order ko. Ice, coffee, olat. And then, I don't know kung ano to. Siguro cookie to, libre lang. Hindi, ano to. Ay, bilog-bilog. Look, ayan, closer. Lunch. Ay, nuts. Parang nagaraya something. Ewan. And then, ito, nag-order ako ng isang slice ng chocolate cream walnut. So, let's eat.
Crazy for you, I'm crazy for you. Maybe it's crazy I love you, maybe it's crazy I do. Maybe it is, but I live with it. If it means I love you, if we could be together, I'm section. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us, all your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches, they come with a thing called trust. We don't gotta rule out commitment, I want you differently, I think this is love. I think this is love.
Okay guys, update. Pabalik na ako ng hotel. And tapos na ako for today. So, dahil wala akong internet, doon na kami sa unit magkita ni CJ. And pagdating niya, tsaka kami bibili ng food namin for New Year celebration. Anyway, advance Happy New Year guys! Woo! Grabe. Ilang oras na lang, 2024 na. Super duper excited na ako kung anong mga blessings at opportunity ang ibibigay sa atin ng 2024. Anyway, lakad na tayo.
Moonlight pinks through the curtains. I know
punit. Pero ito siya.
Ano naman baboy?
Diba sarado sa Sinsay Bashi, akala ko din ako makabili. Pero sa airport, open, wala pang pila.
Si Papa, ano?
Taste test na natin.
We can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day,
Baho.
take a week. Baby, just stay with me.
Wala nang baboy. Ano yung burger?
Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bed.
Yung sauce niya mustard. Try nga natin. Bola-bola po ata ito.
Apathy is how I get. Till you ask me what I want.
Tapos mamaya pinuhin natin sa isang
Don't leave, no, please not now.
May CJ, may sobra na. Dalawa.
We can figure this
Dalawang.
Dalawang silo.
Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week.
Hindi siya mustard.
Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean it? Are you thinking you
Pero bagay naman.
maybe we should sleep on?
Ano ba naman yun?
Wait till the morning
Isa.
comes.
Joke lang, joke lang.
Bantag yan.
When you're not around, baby, we can make
Sarap no? Lahat.
please not now. If you need to breathe.